Hi, we are very excited to have had Alta Homes come into our home. Firstly, I'd like to say it was a word of mouth recommendation from another client, and speaking to her, she just kept telling me about how thrilled she was with them, and having them come in, Josh, Michael and Tim, they listened to everything that I wanted, my husband and I. We weren't 100% sure. Weren't sure about colour schemes, weren't sure about the tiles. It was quite a big thing for us. It's something we've never done before. By the time they left, we were so excited. Ideas were running wild. Josh even climbed up into the ceiling to make sure that what I wanted would be able to be done. Super excited when that could be done. Michael came in with great ideas for the cupboards, pulled out his phone, showed me things immediately, so he really understood what I wanted. From day one, they were here constantly talking to me, listening to me when something wasn't right, you know, well not right, I shouldn't say that, when something I wasn't sure would be right, they were very quick to reassure me and help me through the process. So they came in. The main bedroom had a very small bathroom and walk-in robe, which we felt wasn't really what we wanted. The bedroom being large enough, they built us in a beautiful walk-in wardrobe, and then a walk-in bathroom now, which has been completely renovated, brand new tiles, new shower, new vanity, everything. Absolutely love going into my bathroom. I walk in there every opportunity I get, which sounds crazy. And then downstairs we have a granny flat where our son lives, and because the laundry's in there, I just felt I needed to make it more of a bathroom and not a junk room. Built in a beautiful cupboard where we could put the washing machine, the dryer and the laundry sink, so when you walk in it looks amazing. It just all flows. To save costs, once again Josh and Michael came right forward to help me, because to save a bit of cost they just had a look at the tiles, and we've painted the tiles. The colour matching to the tiles upstairs is absolutely amazing. You can hardly tell the difference. So on that, I have to say that there's no one else I could honestly recommend. These guys are amazing. They listen to you, they understand, they are exceptional. And I'm very, very pleased to have invited Alta Homes into our home.